What's up, everybody? This is Bruce, aka Geektacular, and today I have another Lego build video for ya. So half unboxing, half half build video, and this one is going to be for a new-ish series of Legos that I actually really like, and these are the Lego BrickHeadz. So what these are kind of little Lego models that are individual characters, and they're kind of designed sort of how like Pops are. So they have this kind of Japanese chibi sort of look with the big button eyeballs, and they're kind of stylized a little bit cartoony, but it's one big model. And I did one of these earlier for Rey from The Last Jedi, and it was really cool. And I really liked how it turned out, so I thought I'd go ahead and do this for the Flash as well. And actually, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting together all of the Justice League members from the Justice League movie. So I've actually picked up all the ones that are available right now, which are actually all of these on the back of the box. So I've actually picked up all these, and I'll be doing videos on each of these kind of in order here. As I get to them, and then they're also releasing at the beginning of May 2018. They'll be releasing a 2-pack that has the Tactical Batman from the Justice League plus Superman. It's like a 2-pack, and that will finish up the set, and that will be all of the actual sort of main characters from Justice League. So that's kind of what I'm working towards at the moment. I'm not going to spend as long as I did on my Rey video on the actual packaging. I'm just going to give you a quick look at the box so you can see what's up with that. For all these Justice League ones, on this side of the box, it actually says Justice League, and then it has the different symbol, like for whatever the character is, on the side there, which is pretty cool. This is from Series 2 of BrickHeadz. This is model number 21. It's Lego number 41598. 122 pieces. Again, those are the other ones that are currently available, and then in like a week or so, the 2-pack with Superman and Batman from Justice League will be coming out as well. And here's the bottom there. So, yeah, that's basically it. Let me go ahead and pop the box open so you can see here. The box doesn't have like a clear window like Funko Pops have necessarily. So you just open that, and then that kind of pops open. And if you're really careful, you can kind of pull the bottom out, and it is actually like glued here. So if you're really careful, like if you want to keep the box, I'm not really interested in keeping the box since I'm going to be displaying it. Just displaying the model, I won't really need the box. But if you're really careful, you can open it up like this. Same as the Rey one that I built. It's got one bag with all the big stuff, one bag with all the little stuff, and the base here, which is what it eventually will sit on, and the instructions here. Standard Lego instructions. For anybody who's curious, here are all of the part numbers and how many are involved in case you're curious or need replacement parts or something like that. These are all the parts involved with this Flash BrickHeadz model. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put this together, and I'm going to do it in fast forward so that instead of taking like 20 minutes and watching me do it, it'll only hopefully take a couple minutes. So here we go. So there you have it, everybody. That is the full build for the Justice League Flash Lego BrickHeadz. So just taking a quick look at it after it's been built now, I think it looks really cool. It is unfortunate that he doesn't have anything for his hands, like any accessories or anything, but I mean, the actual character doesn't either, so I guess that technically makes sense. I kind of wish they could have found like something to put in his hand or whatnot, but that's okay. That's kind of the nature of his character. He doesn't really use weapons or anything like that particularly. So yeah, so just to kind of get some detail here, since he wears a hood, there isn't, or like a mask, there's not as much like hair detail or anything like that as there was when I built the Star Wars Rey one. But there is detail on the actual mask itself, specifically this back part, which you can kind of see here, which actually slopes down, and it's got these diagonal bricks here that essentially, I think this is supposed to be like where his mask is like tied up in the back. So you're supposed to imagine that these are kind of like ties, like that you would tie up the mask, which is pretty cool. I thought that was pretty neat. I thought that was a really cool detail that they added. When I was putting it together, I was kind of like, what is this? But then when I realized it's actually like the ties on the back of his mask, which are pretty cool. That's pretty awesome. And then the top is just kind of flat here. You do have his gold ear decorations on his outfit, which are awesome. I think those are really cool. The little gold wings that he has behind his ears there. I think it's awesome that they added that detail in. There's actually several gold bricks in here. These are gold as well, kind of signifying his sort of belt, and right above like where his pants are. So yeah, I think this turned out really cool. I'm really looking forward to putting together the rest of the Justice League BrickHeadz, and then I'll have a complete set from Justice League. So the next one that I'm gonna do a video on is model number 2241599, which is Wonder Woman. The Wonder Woman BrickHeadz. I've already got her here. Just have to find a time to record and actually put her together. Again, this took me probably about somewhere in the neighborhood of like 20 minutes, plus or minus maybe 5 minutes. Somewhere between 20 and 30 minutes, I would say, to put this together. So not too bad. I don't put together a lot of Lego stuff, so I'm pretty slow probably compared to some people. But I would say it's a good solid about 20 minutes of work here. So very cool. And now I have a collectible that I can put on my shelf and display next to my Funko Pops, my other figures, and now sort of my own mini BrickHeadz collection. So thanks everybody for watching this. If you like this Lego build video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below. That would be awesome. And if you like this kind of videos, if you like Lego build videos, if you like superhero stuff, DC Comics related stuff, or if you just like movies, anime, kaiju films, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Star Wars, Star Trek, any kind of geeky stuff like that, go ahead and click subscribe down below, and also be sure to hit that notification bell down below, so that way you won't miss any of my future content. So thanks everybody for watching, and I'll catch you next time.